Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am doing the Art Therapy card deck, and we are on card number 2. And it was Sensory Still Life. Goal for the activity, to calm through mindfulness, medium painting, 45 minutes. You're supposed to gather some fruit out of the fridge, and use a pencil to add more shading. Assemble some fruit vegetables from your kitchen in front of you. Use watercolor pencils to sketch the scene, then add water with your paintbrush to blend colors. Well, I don't draw, so what I did is I found me some images on Google in fruit in baskets or vegetables in baskets, and I colored them. So I'm improvising. I know my limits, and one is not drawing. It wouldn't look so cool as that. But it says, were you able to tune into your 5 senses? Well, I can kind of think I could. I can imagine the carrots and all that. Did your level of calmness feel different after this exercise? I was calm coloring. How do you apply the mindfulness practice to situation during the day? I don't know. That's a good question. So that was number 2. Number 3 is past, present, and future. So let's see what I'm going to work on this week. Goal for the activity, to give yourself guidance, medium painting, time 1 hour. Let's see what you're supposed to do. Draw again. Draw 2 particular overlapping circles with a pencil or pen. The left circle represents the past, the right circle represents the future, and the middle is the present. With your paints, use color, shapes, textures, words to describe each category. Beneath the present section, write things you need, things that you are doing now to reach your future state. So they're supposed to kind of look like that. Yeah, I probably could do that one. So we'll see what I come up with for next week. Something like I said, if I can't, I'll improvise and do something else try to take the concept but do something else with it. So that's my art therapy for this week. So thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny. Bye for now.